the magpie being mean to you? Hey, what is it you would like? Didn't video that, damn it. You birds are malicious and vicious.
So scary.
I just got swooped, I think. Was it you or was it me?
Who was that thing?
The magpie? Did that swoop the kingfisher? Wow. Did it come from back there, did it? At lightning speed? Thank you for not stabbing me in the head, magpie. I like you. I don't know what he's on about. You're so cute. Hey.
You're a beautiful bird.
The magpie fucking hates this one. Just coming up to fucking attack. And he's...
Captain Meanie.
Yeah.
It'd be funny if it just landed on my hand.
It would.
Come and sit on my hand, darling.
Maybe he likes the walnuts.
I'm a friendly person. Here you go. Don't peck me too hard.
Yeah.
Oh. How adorable. You are a beauty. It's good for you, doll. Bit of pear, bit of nut, fruit and nut. It wouldn't hurt you ever. He wants the nut. Oops.
Cute.
Lovely.
How cute. The bird literally ate it out of your hand. I think I've got two versions of it.
Here you go, darling.
Yes. How cute.
It's so cute. I love
It's
it.
your little buddy. Look at this.
Quick, before that other nasty bird comes. He'll
Doesn't seem
come.
to like chicken.
He'll get
It
it.
will.
There you go.
Well, you tried.
Yeah,
Good on you, Dal.
my pleasure.
Hey. Oh, now it's like gonna vomit, it looks like.
Oh, no. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, what was that?